Hey, what's up you guys? Today we're going to be installing an OpenFlash Tune on my 2019 Mazda MX5. I found this process actually extremely easy to do, so let's take a look what's in the box and we will go from there. Right off the bat, we see the tablet on opening the box. When we flip underneath, we will see the two cables there for those two ports. Those are for the OBD2 connection and for a USB connection. Now, if you've purchased a used one, you may want to go onto OpenFlash's website and pull the latest tunes. You can also use the USB connection to pull log files and other information off the tablet. As you can see, the 16-pin connector for the OBD2 connection seats here. Once this is in, you're basically ready to go plug into the car. From inside the car, with the car turned on but not started, you will connect the tablet to the OBD2 port. First thing you'll likely want to do is to calibrate the tablet. You can do this by going to Setup and Calibrate, but you will need something very fine point. I tried a key, a pen, a handful of different things that did not do the trick. What I found worked is a cap from a Bic pen and using the tip that would be the clip. You can see me here failing to calibrate with my finger. Now, I actually pushed on without a successful calibration, so you'll see me struggling a little to select the correct options. But from here, we can go to Tuning, and we will be selecting Mazda, followed by your vehicle. Do pay attention to the horsepower ratings as well as the transmission type. The ND2 with the manual transmission is on the second page. Once we have successfully selected our vehicle, we will need to read the stock tune from the ECU. This will essentially lock the tablet to your car until you flash your stock tune back. Once you have confirmed your ignition is turned on and the car is not started, you will press OK to begin the read process. I've heard a lot of different time frames for this. Mine took nearly an hour. I'm going to add a timestamp here and speed it up to just a few seconds. Once the read process is complete, we will select OK and it will begin generating your out-of-the-box tunes. Once this process is complete, we will select Write and we will have our choice of stage 1 and 2 tunes as well as an E85 tune. I'm going to go ahead and go for the stage 2 tune as I already have a header and an intake to support it. When prompted to turn the ignition on, ensure the ignition is on and press OK. I found I had to turn my car off and back on in between the read and the write process. I don't know if this is standard. This process only took about 10 minutes, but again, I will add a timestamp and speed it up for you here. Once the write process is complete, you will receive these instructions to turn the car off for 20 seconds, and then to start it and let it idle for a full minute without touching anything. Let's hear that startup now. Now, this is not the end for you if this is your first tune. What you need to do now is to pull some log files and verify that your knock ratios are not in the extreme to prevent damage to your engine, especially if you've chosen a more aggressive tune. I might be making a video shortly about this. Otherwise, please take a look at OpenFlash's website. They have some pretty good instructions there. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Feel free to like and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day.